Okay guys, I have got some phenomenal news on the charity table. I just got this box in the mail and it appears to be from Wise Bond, and I haven't opened it yet. I did cut the plastic. I haven't opened it, or figured we should do it together. Because why not? Everybody loves an unboxing, right? Okay, so we are in my kitchen. Bubble wrap. Lots and lots and lots of bubble. Wow. Okay, we got bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. Let's go with the small box first. Let's see what's in here. This must be some of the tape he was talking about. A guy named Burgess has decided to sponsor this video and the charity table, which is awesome. I'm hoping he put his business card in here so I can put that on the screen. And if we can do this in one take, I won't have to edit it. So bear with me if there's a little oops, it's going to stay in. Okay, so this is the tape for the edges and I guess for the bottom. So there's that. Alright, next box. Ugh. This one is heavy. Okay, in here we have table and bar epoxy. Wise Bond again. Okay, so that's the manufacturer. I don't know if that's the name of his business or if that's the manufacturer. It looks like the manufacturer. Super wet gloss, self-leveling flood coat. Okay. So we got flood coat. This is, I don't see where it says. Oh, okay. There's the resin. There's the hardener. Okay. That's good. It's a little sticky on the bottom, but looks like it didn't leak. Let me get rid of these. Let me get rid of this big box here. Alright. Let's go with this one next. For those wondering, I got that board down to about 10% moisture in the garage. Here's his business right here. Our unique custom wood and epoxy furniture. Okay. And then we got his name, Burgess. He's generously donated this to the project. And if you're looking for epoxy, I guess he's the one to call. Okay, here's this one. This appears to be very well packed. Now we got, okay, we have, sorry, it's heavy. Deep pour, 2-inch thick, single pour. Okay, so that's probably about the thickness this table is going to be when I'm done. I think we're at 2.5, but I haven't planed it yet. So there is the 2-to-1. That's the resin. Deep pour. There's the hardener for the deep pour, 2-to-1 ratio. Okay, and we have another business card. Whatever, we'll give him 2 plugs. Give him a call. You need any of this stuff, give him a call. Are unique. It's a clever name. It's a clever name. Okay, last box. I don't know if you can see how well that's packed. It's got a little, don't tip over. Okay, we have another gallon. So this would be 1.5 gallons if it's 2-to-1, right? It should be a ½ gallon. Yeah, ½ gallon. So we've got 3 gallons of deep pour. We got the flood coat, we got the tape. A little better frame there. Yeah, we got everything we need, I think, except color. So we're gonna have to figure that out. I have color from the other kit. We'll just have to figure out what colors we want to put in there, and hopefully I have enough of that powder left. I've been playing with it, trying to figure out how I'm gonna pour it, what works, what doesn't work. I'll give you a sneak peek at one of the projects that hasn't come out on video yet, but I felt the need to practice. So I made this, and this is finished out, food safe, and it took me a couple tries. I didn't like the flood coat. I don't know if it was the epoxy that I used, that cheap Chinese stuff, or if I just did it wrong. But we've got another video coming out that shows this. I think it's going to come out after this one, because I got to give credit where credit is due. Well, there goes the one-shot upload. Anyway, this is a very generous gift. I do greatly appreciate it. The people doing the charity are definitely going to appreciate it, as well as the recipient. It's a gentleman that has cancer. He just lost his father, a niece, and a cousin. So we're going to do something for him. Next video will be making the table, I assume. And since this is already uploaded, part 1 is already uploaded, this will be part 2. Sponsor, which is awesome. I'm committed, so if the table comes out good, great. And if it's a royal disaster, you're going to get to see it too, because I can't stop now. Alright, this is really hard for me to say for some reason. Are unique custom wood and epoxy furniture. Give Brian a call and tell him I sent you. Tell him I said hi. Alright, stay tuned. Probably going to be another week or so before I get to the actual woodworking. I'm alone most of the time, and I need someone to hold the other end of the board as it goes through the planer, because it's fairly big. So it's going to be a little bit before my wife can get involved in that, and you'll get to see it. So until next time.